And the camera's... Today, I'm going to show you some Funko Popsy items. Now, Popsies provides the opportunity to have that sentimental moment that greeting cards brings, but with the collectability. But don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to see more exclusive items like these. Now, each Popsy includes a figure to display throughout the season or year with a whimsical message, but items will be available across 2,000 Walmart stores throughout 2022 with everyday titles readily available and new seasonal drops. I really like these because of that collectability. Now again, as you can see, I collect Funkos. I'd say almost 99.9% of mine are still in the box. It keeps that value and collectability for others that want to collect those items. These have that collectability and I'll show you how. So each one of these comes with that whimsical message. So if you push in the middle of the ribbon here on the present box, it'll pop something out of the top here. Now Harry Potter I have says, "You're magical." Again, it's that whimsical message because remember, these can be gifts. So I want to look at Pennywise. But if you look at the eyes, the balloon from the movie is in the eyeball. So again, we wanted to have a whimsical message. So Pennywise says, "Do you want a balloon?" I like that one. Stitch from the movie Lilo and Stitch. Ohana means family. So again, you can just pop that back down for the reset, pop it back up. And then the last one, Spiderman. So this one's really cool, and if you look at the back of the box, it'll let you know if there's a surprise greeting available. So as you can see in the Spider-Man eyes, is you've got little spider webs. So this one's really cool because it has a special greeting that the others do not have, at least from this series, or the set that I have for you. So if you look, you've got the Spider-Man message, "Have an amazing day." But if you look on the bottom side of it, there's that special one that says "Thwap" with the heart. And that's basically Spider-Man sending out his heart, because again, it's that whimsical message. Keep an eye out for these in your stores, 2,000 stores across the United States. So I know our store currently has them. I've already started collecting a few myself, but definitely check it out, see what we've got available, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel to see more amazing items.